Today we're spicing up our office, creating a fun atmosphere, and improving our voiceovers with our new 12-pack of RGB 3D wall panels. They're pretty easy to install, look cool, and help dampen the sound in my office. And these wall panels come shipped to your door, ready to decorate your area as well. Inside the box, you have your instructions, 12 wall panels, a remote, a pack of raised sticky squares, and then your power cable and light emitter. At first, all the wires look a little intimidating, but once you get started, it comes together easily. If you flip over the wall panel, you'll find 2 white squares to attach your mounting squares. To begin, you need to cut the zip ties off of the wires, and then apply the mounting squares. Repeat that for all the remaining wall panels, and then you can arrange them on your wall. Now as you're placing them, keep all the wires aimed in the same direction, so you can connect them all later. Then as you add some more, you can feed the wires behind the others, and bring them down to the same area. Now this part is fun, because you can get creative with it. After you get the wall panels where you'd like, collect all the wires together, and zip tie them down. Cut off all the excess wire, and then feed all the wires into the light emitter. And then screw down the cap to hold them all in place. Stick the receiver and light emitter to the wall, and then plug it in. Then your wall panels light up, and you can change your settings with the remote. I hid all the cables behind my microphone, and I think it looks pretty clean. I probably could have done a little better with the cable management, but I'm happy with how it turned out. I liked how I was able to create my own design, and pick whatever color I want them to be. I'm a fan of that honeycomb pattern, and now my office is a little bit more soundproofed. So my office will sound better for my voiceovers. So if you're looking to add some fun wall decor to your office or gaming room, these RGB wall panels might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go record some more voiceovers. See ya!